Hello YouTube, and now true deep cleaning vacuum. What is in this time? One and only key series Kirby with the stiff oblique brush roll. Tons and tons of airflow, very good adaptation and design that can lift the rug up and beat it and even suck up what is underneath the rug. Now I know that there is those very false claims that something like Dyson stick vacuums are going to be better or they are better, and those absolutely hilarious, or how you say it, very funny demonstrations what they are trying to demonstrate, that Dyson stick vacuums are much better than these Kirbys. Well, science is not lying, and science is behind the Kirby. And I have made a lot of videos about that subject, but I really can't do anything about blind people. So let's do true deep cleaning of this rug, and it is going to be this Kirby Key 6 and Generation series overall with this stiff oblique style brush roll is going to be very good at deep cleaning. Whatever someone says, there is always going to be those trolls. So, okay, that was my rant, and let's just start this. It is a bit faded like these usually go, but it doesn't affect to the performance. your rug is not nailed to your floor, then this Kirby is going to lift it up. Try the same with any Dyson or any bagless vacuum. Sorry, my rant, but there has been so much negativity from one channel who absolutely hate Kirby and thinks that Dyson stick vacuum is the world's best vacuum ever made. So this was Dyson Key 6 and something a bit more gentle but still very good performing, my Tradition. Now Tradition looks better, but Key 6 with that stiff oblique brush roll is going to perform better, and so there we had it. And now someone is going to be like, where is the evidence? I didn't see any. Well, there is a lot in my channel, and please check Club channel also. So if you want proof, there it is. Not the best vacuum in the world if you consider all the things, but I would say that these are pretty much one of the best when it comes to the cleaning performance. And like I like those very old like 50s and 60s American cars where everything is chrome. Well, these hit the jackpot, and not only that, Kirby might look like old fashioned vacuum, but they are improved a lot, and cleaning performance is extremely high. So I am going to do, I have already something what I am going to do to show those differences between modern bagless vacuum and something like this, so you can really see what you are missing if you don't have one of these. Heavy vacuums to lift, but extremely light to use. Because of that self-driving system, and this is not bad either. So thanks for watching and goodbye.